Hello everyone. Here is an update on Hurricane Tammy. Tammy strengthening southeast of Bermuda. At 5 a.m. Eastern Time, Hurricane Tammy was centered 540 miles southeast of Bermuda. Tammy is moving toward the northeast at 10 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds are 100 miles per hour. The minimum central pressure is 969 millibars. Tammy's general northeastward motion is expected to continue in the short term as the hurricane is steered northeastward, ahead of an approaching trough. However, later this week, the steering currents will weaken once again, and Tammy will slow down and likely turn toward the north and eventually back toward the northwest. There is little consensus among the models regarding the track of Tammy later this week, so forecast confidence is low. Tammy could strengthen a bit more today. A cold front approaching the hurricane is forecast to merge with the system and cause extratropical transition tonight or Thursday. Tammy is forecast to remain a powerful hurricane-force extratropical system through 48 hours before weakening. All interests in Bermuda should closely follow the progress of Tammy. We will continue to monitor Tammy and will post additional updates as conditions warrant. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, kindly subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on future weather alerts.